Hi guys, welcome back to Do It New YouTube channel. So today I cover here the how create the grid and how to create the shape file of that grid. So we are using here today the ArcMap in ArcGIS softwares. So it is a very important for your study area. So how we can do that, the practical session we can see here. So hope you enjoy these practical sessions. So you can do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It is called the Do It New. So hope you enjoy these practical sessions. So very first our we need to add here the shape files. Just right click on the layer, you go to your directories. I am going to here, just click on the my study area place Aurangabad districts, select on that shape files, add. I am adding here. Just now we are doing the first process we are creating here. Just go to the options. We are having two options, catalog and search. You can see here below. I am showing you. We go with these options, search. Okay, just type here create fishnet. Just search that. You look here the first options, create fishnet. Just click on that. You can look here the entire information they are asking about our data. So you can just first options, output feature class. Just select, click there, and where you want to store your data. Just I create here one folder demo. I call that, just give the name of demo. Just click on, give the file name study area shape grid. We give the name of this, save. Then second option is template extent. So this is Aurangabad the regions. It is not working. Just click here the same layer, same as a layer Aurangabad district. Click on that. You can look here the all top, left, bottom, right, x coordinations, y coordinations, all information by default come by your study area. So first cell size width, just I am showing you word how exactly practical we are doing. Just inserting here the one table, look like phase are coming like so. This one cell size x and y positions we are giving here 5000. I am giving here the 5000 by 5000, 5000 by 5000 width and height. Okay, just number of rows and number of columns not required, because already all study area divided by the 5000 by 5000 area, so already they are considering by default naturally. And here you can select here the geometry types. We select here by default is a polyline, we are selecting polygon, so click on that. My previous video also covered that, but that video I am not covering to export that study area cropping by pixel, so that's why I am creating these tutorials. So click OK. You can look here the fish, create the fish net. You can see here create the fish net. Just go to your all our shape files. So we just no colors adding on that. You can look here, my study area is in between. You can see here the Aurangabad districts. This is my study area. I want to crop that pixel only by my study area, this region, all this. So very simple, not difficult to you. Just right click on your study area and go to the open attribute tables and select here your study tables. You can see here my study area is just selected. Okay, so just select and close that table. Once again I am showing you, just right click on here, open the attribute tables and select your table data informations about your, you can hear the polygon, area, pyramids and village and Aurangabad, all this. Just close that. And now we go the menu, selections menu. Second options you can look here, the selection by locations. You can select that. So first I want to crop points value. You can look here, this is a point value. Okay, so first I crop here the point value, then I crop the grid. This is a grid. Okay, so I crop this grid. So we go with the first point, select here, select this selection by locations. You can look here the select the methods. So by default you select here target layer. Is it here is having add to current select features, in remove the current selection features. So we go with the by default to selected area. Already we are selecting this area. Just click here, just click here. Our point is a grid label. You can look here the grid label. Just select here study area shape grid label, click on. Okay, you can see here a source of which source, my study area. To select that area you can look here, this option is visible and you can check these ones and just apply that. Okay, you can look here only selected area points are applying, but here you can look here these points are now not covering in between, because those pixel points are covered by using this methodology only in between your study area. So just click on OK. Now this point pixels are selected. Now just right click on that your point value, which one, label study area shape grid label. Just right click on that, and go to data options. In between having the export the data in selected directories. So I go to here, this is a demo folder I was already created. Give here the point grid study, point grid only, not required more. As your choice you can give the name. Okay, here you can select the second option, shape file. So I am giving here the point grid, save and OK. Do you want to add the export data that map as a layer? Yes, you can look here. I am deselecting these two options. You can look here, your study area is cropping by point wise. So now second practical is our this, I want to crop this grid. So same process, just select here, deselect these points, not required this times. Go to the selection options. Once again this select the grid points. Okay, select, go to the selection menu, second option selection by locations. Second option here, just select the study area shape grid. Okay, already we are selecting here the study area. Just apply same process, previous data we are doing here. Now use the select features methods and apply and OK. Now here you can see data is selected on that my study area. So just right click on that and again go to the data, export that data, select the features, selected features. Those features are selected in the grid, they are exporting. Select here, give the name grid result. Give the box grid only. Okay, once again by default select the file and personal geodatabase feature classes, so we select here the shape files and save. Okay, so hope these practicals you enjoy. You can look here, this is your data. I am adding here the some multispectral data. You can look here, this is a multispectral data, so as our choice we can add, just add that. Okay, so very nicely you are exploring your data on your practical. So I'm show you, this is a, just remove that unwanted. Go these grid points I drag on the top. You can look here, this data are showing you the point number of locations. Then second options grid, I drag on the top, but here we need to remove the background color. Just go to click on that yellow color, fill color is no color. Okay, just change the border line color. Okay, you can look here, 5000 by 5000 meters grid are created, so it is very useful to your study purpose area. Suppose your area is divided by the number of grids, you can add that very comfortably. You can point outing your GPS data for the study purpose. So hope you guys enjoy in this practical. See you have facing any practical times queries, so do not forget the comment me. I'll be try to solve as soon as possible early. So hope guys you are enjoying. Do not forget the share and subscribe my YouTube channel. We are called that do it new. It is a, and also press the bell icon, so I continuously provide you the updation about that. So thank you guys, we will meet come again on the next tutorial parts. Thank you.